in this tutorial. I'm gonna pick up right where I left off in the last tutorial, talking about motion tracking. But in this tutorial, you gonna learn how to apply that motion tracking data to an object, how to attach some text to that object. So follows our car down the road. The next step is I need something to apply this tracking data to. If you can press U, you will see some detail about this track. You can see the confidence that After Effects has in thinking that it's tracked the right thing. And overall that's pretty high. We are looking pretty good. At the end there drops down a little bit. Actually, because the trailer changes perspective. So the shape of the object is there's not as much contrast there. I jump back over here to the tracker panel. I need to find a target for this too.